Do you feel like your iPhone is always running out of space? Are you looking for a way to buy more storage on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to purchase additional storage space in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top of the page. After that, tap where it says iCloud. And then you'll see a section called Apps Using iCloud. Just tap where it says Show All to view all the apps that use and sync with iCloud. So now what you want to do next is turn on all of these apps. Simply toggle this switch on to turn it on, and do this for other apps as well, and it will help you free up storage space on your phone itself. Once you've done that, go back and tap where it says Manage Account Storage. And then tap on Change Storage Plan. So now you have the ability to buy more storage, and you have plans to choose from. You can select 50 gigabytes for $1 a month, 200 gigabytes for $3 a month, and 2 terabytes for $10 a month. So you can choose anything you like according to your preferences, and it will add more storage and start billing your card. You can always downgrade or completely cancel your plan at any time. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.